Hello everybody and welcome back to Pikachu's channel, Pika Pika. Today's video is going to be about, remember when I went into Walmart and me and my boyfriend wanted to do crafts? Well, remember how he was going to do a wooden car craft? And I wanted to do a wooden house craft. Well, the instructions were a little bit confusing, and on top of that, maybe it was because I didn't sand mine down because I thought that was going to take a little bit too much work. So, on top of that, I just decided to slowly put my pieces together, and once I figured it out on my own, I decided to glue them. Well, that didn't quite all work out with me, but there was something that I didn't like, but only because I put one of the pieces on backwards. So this kind of made it a little bit difficult because I didn't check to make sure everything went the right way before I glued them on. So with all that said, sorry if you hear noises, it is Dodger and it is my boyfriend's parents. So, as I was saying, I put one of the parts on backwards, so it made it a little bit difficult because on the other side, it wasn't quite working, but I managed to try figuring it out for myself. Still wasn't working because the roof, the part that goes on the house, wasn't going to work out either. I kind of got a little bit frustrated, and with all that said, I decided to not put a roof on this little wooden house project that I'm doing, well, craft that I am doing. So, it looks okay, but it's my first one. And I put some extra glue in some of the parts, so none of it will come off or come apart. So yeah, this is the way that I want it. When I show it to you, it is the way I want it because I decided not to put a roof on it because just to leave the top part open. And what else I wanted to do was find some little furniture at Michael's or something, and then figure that out and then glue them in or whatever. But I just wanted to show and share with you guys what I have so far. I am not completely done with it. Like, I gotta paint it, I gotta fix it up, I gotta decorate it, put some cute little stuff inside. But I just wanted to show you guys what I have now. So here we go. And please, no being disrespectful, no being rude, just bear with me, and I hope you guys like it. So, this is what I have so far. Okay. This is what I have so far. This is like a cute little door. Okay. A window. This part. Another little window. Turn around. That is the side of the house. Turn it around. Okay, so it's like the back door window, and like this cute little window balcony thing that's like on the other side. So, this is how it looks in the inside. If you could see it. It's not all that good and it's not all that pro, but like I said, Just bear with me. As you can see, I glued this part because you're supposed to punch it out, but I didn't want to because I wanted to save this part and like put some grass, you know, or maybe some bushes and trees, or, you know, little rocks. But yeah, that's what I have so far. Yeah, see, you're supposed to punch this part out and then like throw this part away, but as I said before, I chose not to do that because I wanted to decorate it on the outside as soon as I'm done painting it, you know, and, you know, decorate the way I want it. I wanted to put like maybe some grass, some dirt, maybe some little rocks, maybe some little trees or bushes or flowers, you know, stuff like that. But I am not done with it, guys, okay? So, as I said before, just bear with me. The part that I mentioned that I messed up because I put the thing inside out. Well, you see how this side, you see the little lines right here, you know? Okay, that's how it's supposed to look on this side. This side, you don't see that. Why? Because you can see it. If you can see it, I put it inside out. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. But, yeah. You see the little lines? I put that side inside out. So, I was kind of sad, frustrated. I was like, stupid me. I put one side of the wall on this house the wrong way. But, I just said, heck with it. I'm just gonna go with what I have. We all make mistakes. So, yeah, I like it so far. And I was like kind of worried, but it worked with me. So, I'm happy with it. As I said, this is my first one. So, yeah. As I said before, the roof wasn't working with me that you put on top, but like I said, or I mentioned earlier, I wanted to leave it open because what my idea is to put some stuff inside, like furniture, whatever, and then glue it and maybe make some walls or something. I don't know, but
Is that a purple fan?
I think it might be in that closet. Oh, I thought you were talking about the big one.
Thank you. So, No, no, gosh! Damn it.
Sorry about that. That was my boyfriend's dad. I got shy and didn't want to talk. But anyways, as I was saying before, I'm not done with it. I want to put some cute little stuff inside of it and get them maybe from Walmart or Michael's. If you want to know where I got this from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was like $10 or maybe lower. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And the glue that I use for it is the wood glue. You can find that too at Walmart. But anyways, like I said, I'm not done with this. I want to paint it. I'm not sure what color yet, but yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, and that's it for this video. So smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that way you will be notified every time Pikachu makes a video. Pikachu here, signing off. Pika Pika.